All eyes are on Capitol Hill now as we get closer to a possible full government shutdown. We're taking a live look at the U.S. Capitol right now. Congress has until Saturday night, I should say, to agree on a budget deal. A shutdown would mean some federal workers would go without pay, and some programs, including community health centers, are at risk of losing funds. Rafael Sanchez Cruz has been working to get you some answers about what this all means for patients in the DMV.
Yeah, tonight we want to start off by saying that the shutdown does not mean that clinics will close this weekend, but this budget impasse will have a real impact on community health centers. We're talking about the largest primary care system in the country that is at risk of losing 70% of their funding on September 30th. In our region, we have 51 community health centers. Many of them you might know, providers like Unity Health or Community Hope. The district has 8 of them, Maryland 17, and Virginia has the most with 26. Tonight, I've spoken with over a dozen of these clinics in our region, and they say that in the event of a shutdown, their services will not be interrupted. However, I met up with the president of the National Association of Community Health Centers, who says the uncertainty about their funding is already affecting in the recruitment as well as the retention of health professionals at these centers.
When I try to recruit physicians or nurses and talked about the choices that they have, and many of these clinicians in a situation where we have such a primary care crisis, they're making choices about where to go or where to stay. And so that can have a significant impact. Imagine, like for me, as a primary care doc, I had 2,000 patients, and if I have multiple choices to either stay or go, that has a real impact on the patients that I serve.
The community health centers that I spoke to today say they want to make one thing clear: government shutdown or not, they want to have their patients to continue with their health visits. Meanwhile, we'll keep an eye on how a possible shutdown will impact these crucial centers in our communities. Delia? Yeah,
Rafael, I know you've been following the shutdown and what it could mean for a lot of folks here in the DMV, a lot of our neighbors. Yeah. I'm glad that you're on it, and hopefully we can find some more answers soon.
Fingers crossed.
Thanks so much.